This is one of the coolest looking buildings right here. So I'm gonna zoom in and you can see there's a kind of a farm shop. And there's like something right here, but it's all like one building. And there's all signs up there. It says Art Macau. So I don't know, pretty cool. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so the last video we walked down this one, which is the street of the Herbalists. And if you like what we're doing, just you know, make some comments below. Ask me some questions, and I'll create some new videos about it. But I'm just gonna show this street because we're gonna walk into Senado Square. So we're just gonna go straight into this way, and some pretty cool stuff like that. Right there to the right. Fresh fruit. And right now the lighting is just about perfect. Got some really cool alleys everywhere. Some different kinds of foods. Okay. Some fresh foods. So here's some more fresh foods over here. And we're gonna walk through this crowd of people here, which and if you go all the way up that way, it goes all the way to Sao Paulo ruins. But I've filmed there and I've went up there many times, so it's not my focus tonight. Focus tonight is to get through these crowds and get into Senado Square and just film it. I haven't filmed it in a while. But as soon as you get over in this area, you can see that it gets a lot more chaotic, more loud. But actually with the lighting, it's almost perfect. So many umbrellas though, you have to duck under them quite a bit. Nice little plaza here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to keep walking down this way and then we take a right, go down Senado Square. Lush. Yeah, some, man, that umbrella almost took my eye out. And try to get through some of these crowds of people here. Yeah, this is a pretty beautiful spot, so you're gonna see it. It's already pretty beautiful anyways, but once we get to the right, we're gonna go into the Senado Square spot. Not too far down that way is a Portuguese bookstore. I have filmed down in that spot, but I'm not going to film it this time. But it feels like you're, you know, in a mall or something like that. But actually you're not. You're outside. And all this kind of European design architecture. And this is, as you can imagine, a lot of tourists come here. And there's some beautiful churches, like that one on the right, that yellow one. I think it's called St. Dominic's, I think. And a lot of these places have been converted into kind of high-end shopping mall kind of stuff. It's beautiful with the lighting. So, okay. It's also raining, so I'm kind of walking fast. I'm going to stop it right there for a second. So we got a pretty cool street all the way down there, like that. And then you got a pretty cool layout lights right there, and then you have this beautiful church right here. So I'm just going to walk down by this beautiful church right now. And a lot of people hang out there. It's a good spot from the rain, I guess. So we're going to turn around in a second. I'm actually going to look at this fortress and see if there's a GoPro camera. I'm going to turn off my camera as I look for it. Okay, so we're kind of coming in the evening. It's really beautiful. That's the church right there, the yellow building. And I think it goes all the way, the depth of it goes back to So we're just basically gonna follow this into the main square. But I kind of want to film how beautiful all this stuff is. So yeah, all these kind of black and white is Portuguese kind of trademark. Let's just see. So there's these kind of things in here, but we're gonna go right out into the main one. This would be a good spot for the rain, but it's pretty crowded because of the rain again. And now we're out in the main spot. And this is probably one of the most photographed places possibly in Asia. I mean, there's probably some other places too, but this is probably up there. Every time I'm in this area, I just see tons of people with cameras. Might be an interesting video right there, just watching people with the cameras and how many are taking pictures. Especially up here in the fountain, especially when it gets, oh, the fountain's not, it's under construction right now. So that's straight ahead in the blue. They'll build something up here that's coming for whatever the next holiday is. Okay. Today feels a little bit more quiet because of that. Oh, this is pretty common. A lot of times in China, people walk in front of you a lot, so the women actually made it in. Like they try to get in front of you. It's kind of funny. I haven't had that too much in Macau because Macau there's a lot of different people, but I mean like the local Macau people don't do that. But a lot of the mainlanders, they do that a lot. They'll try to walk in front of you. So like they have a choice, they can either walk behind you, you know, they'll be right in front of you, or they can make a choice to go behind or in front. They'll always take the one in front of you. Kind of funny. Okay. So we're just gonna we can conclude this in a minute. Beautiful tree, all the people kind of waiting for a bus, I guess. And that's all of the Senado Square right there. So I'm just going to conclude Senado Square with this shot right here.